Hey everyone, if your business feels stuck or your revenue isn't where you want it to be, you might be dealing with something sneaky, pricing fatigue. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 signs that show your business could be struggling with it, and what you can do to fix it. Let's dive in. First up, inconsistent pricing. Across teams. If your pricing changes depending on who's in the room, sales says one thing, marketing says another, finance something else, you're not aligned. This confuses your customers, slows down deals, and creates a lot of internal friction. And guess what? All that time you spend fixing miscommunication could have been used to grow your business. Sign number 2, delayed responses to market changes. Markets move fast. If you're hesitating to adjust your pricing, guess who's not waiting? Your competitors. Slower pricing decisions can mean losing customers who are ready to move on fast. Next, fragmented pricing data. If your pricing info is scattered across spreadsheets, emails, sticky notes, yikes, you're flying blind. Without clear, centralized data, decisions are based on guesswork, not strategy. And that's a recipe for missed opportunities and costly mistakes. Sign number 4, constant second guessing. If your team is always worried about charging too much or too little, pricing becomes an emotional roller coaster. Without confidence, your team hesitates, and hesitation costs you deals, revenue, and customer trust. Sign 5, being reactive instead of strategic. If you're adjusting prices just because a competitor made a move, you're stuck playing defense. Winning companies set the tone. They don't just follow the crowd. A solid pricing strategy helps you stand out, not blend in. And finally, avoidance of pricing experiments. If your team is too scared to test different pricing models, you're missing out on huge insights. Testing isn't about failure, it's about learning. Without experiments, you leave money and growth on the table. So, did any of these signs sound familiar? The good news is, once you know the problem, you can start fixing it. If you want to build a stronger, more confident pricing strategy, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. More tips are coming your way.